guys, today we're going to study about the topic Kingdom Protista. In Kingdom Protista, all single-celled eukaryotes are present. Kingdom Protista mainly includes cryophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoid, slime molds and protozoans. All organisms that lie under the Kingdom Protista have a well-defined nucleus and they have other cell membrane organelles such as the mitochondria, the Golgi bodies and etc. Also, some organisms have flagella. Organisms in Kingdom Protista can reproduce asexually or sexually. Now if we talk about the first category, that is the chrysophytes, they are diatoms or golden algae we can say. They live in fresh water or marine water. Most of these are photosynthetic in nature. The cell wall of the diatoms are made up of silica and are indestructible. Hence they have accumulated on the earth from their beginning and they are used in various things such as polishing and filtration of oil. Now the second type is dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates are present in marine water and most of them are photosynthetic in nature. Color of the bacteria is because of the pigment that is present in their cells. Dinoflagellates के पास mostly two flagellas होते हैं. One lies longitudinal and the second one lies transversely. Now the third type is euglenoids. Euglenoids are organisms that are present in fresh water. Instead of a cell wall, they have a protein-rich outer membrane known as the pellicule that makes them flexible. They have two flagella, one is short flagella and one is long flagella. Euglenoids are photosynthetic and heterotrophic in nature. That means they can synthesize their own food by the help of sunlight, but some of them also rely on dead organisms for their food. The fourth category is slime molds. Slime molds are extremely resistant and can survive for many years. In suitable types of condition, they form an aggregation called plasmodium and then they can spread to several feet. In unfavorable condition, the plasmodium is differentiated and form fruiting bodies जिसके पास spores होते हैं and then these spores are dispersed in the air. The fifth type is protozoans. Protozoans are heterotrophic in nature, means that they cannot synthesize their food by their own and they are dependent on other organisms and are further classified into four types. The first type is amoeboid protozoans. They live in fresh water and are heterotrophic and they catch their prey by putting out pseudopodia. That means they show a false feet and they catch their prey. The second type is flagellated protozoans. Flagellated protozoans have flagella and they are free living. The parasitic form of this organism can cause a disease known as sleeping sickness. The third type is ciliated protozoas. These protozoas are aquatic in nature and they are actively moving. The fourth type is sporozoans. Sporozoans are diverse organisms and they have infectious spores-like stage in their life cycle. That means they can be infectious to humans and as well as animals. One example is malaria parasite that is caused by plasmodium. This was the explanation of Kingdom Protista. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.